Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing another Jeeves video. That's right, the Jeeves business credit card, the no personal guaranteed business credit card. Kind of like a corporate card. It does need to be paid back every month. But as you can see here, we got some Jeeves swag here. Got their nice little coffee cup. Put that down. So we're going to be talking about the Jeeves corporate card today. I was able to get signed up and approved for them a couple months ago, but I'm going to be walking through. If you've already applied and you haven't heard back, I'm going to give you some insight data that I have that may give you a reason why you haven't heard back. So this is their website. They offer like I said, the card, and they also offer a Jeeves growth loan. We'll talk about that in another video, but use my link in the description below because you'll be fast-tracked on the application and it'll go to my sales rep. So it's like it says here. Let's go down here to the top of the website so you guys can see. So it says, meet Jeeves, the corporate card tailored for, and this is like Mexican, European startups, Brazilian startups, Canadian startups, UK startups, global startups, American startups. Pay for anything, anywhere in your local currency, no fees, no entrance, no personal guarantees. Mobile first, built in with your team in mind. So you're just gonna hit join Jeeves, okay? First name, last name, work email, phone number. The referral code should already have my referral code already in it. If you use my link, please do. It helps support the channel. And then you're gonna select your country. Obviously it's gonna be the US. But if you're in Mexico, you could also use this because, you know, they work outside the U.S. as well. And what's nice too is you get like 1.5% cash back on everything you spend. You get that in the statement credit. And they give you also like say net 30, but it's really like a net 40 because they give you about a week or so after the monthly statement is sent to you before it's actually due. After you fill that out, then it's going to go to this application. What type of business are you? So sole proprietorship, LLC, C Corp, S Corp. I don't think they work with sole proprietors. So you're going to put your business name, exactly how it's listed with the Secretary of State, because they're going to verify that. Keep in mind this is no credit check, all right? There's no credit check at all. They just want to look at your bank statements. I don't know if they've made everything everything auto right now. When I did it a couple months ago and got approved, they basically did like a Zoom call with me, and then they required me to send them manual my business bank statements for the last 3 months. So that's one requirement. Have you raised any external funding? Obviously, most of you guys are going to select no, but you can put yes if you have raised funding. What are your monthly sales? It's less than 10,000 per month, 10,000 to 400,000, 400,000 to 1 million, more than 1 million per month. Now, this is a pre-qualification. Keep in mind, obviously be honest, but I will tell you, a lot of you guys probably aren't getting approved or reached out by them because they really want to see if your business is doing over 10,000. So if your business is doing like 8,000, you could still put less than 10,000, but they really want to deal with those businesses that are doing 10,000 or more per month, or that are spending a lot on the card, because that's how they earn money, is every time you swipe, they're earning a percentage. So they don't charge any fees at all. But like it says right here, how much do you spend per month on your corporate card? So obviously if you don't have a corporate card, that's fine. But it says less than 2,000 per month, 2,000 to 20,000. I can tell you right now, this is probably, they didn't tell me this, but this is my guess on why some of you guys have filled out an application and you haven't heard back from them. If you're putting less than 2,000 per month, I don't think they want to deal with you because it's not worth their time. You have to keep in mind they're earning like anywhere from 1% to 3% for each dollar that you spend. So, you know, if you're spending only 1,000 a month, it's not worth their time for them earning 20, 30 bucks per month from you. They really want to deal with those that are spending 2,000 or higher per month. Like myself, I think I'm spending it's went up and down because I have so many different cards, but like 5,000 to 10,000 per month, you know. And then how did you hear about the platform? You could just put, you know, social media or whatever. But I think this is the two most important things. What is your monthly sales and how much do you spend on your corporate card? Like I said, you want to put 2,000 to 20,000 or higher than that. And then what are your monthly sales? And these could be also, like, I don't want to say projected, but if you're growing at a rapid pace, you could put, say you're doing 8,000 right now per month, and it looks like next month that you're going to be doing, say, 12,000 or 11,000, then it's okay to put, say, 10,000 to 400,000 per month, okay? And then you just hit submit, and then somebody will reach out to you within a day or two. Mine was pretty quick. I think I got set up from the time I filled out the application to the time that I actually got approved was like less than 2 days. So I'm not saying that's going to be the case right now because there's quite a few people that's applied. So this is another fintech, great company all the way around. And make sure you use my link. It helps support the channel, and it will help you get to my sales rep for the actual application call that you have to actually go through, okay? With all that being said, you guys take care. Check out the link, like I said. Give a thumbs up on the video. Jeeves. Okay? Make sure you hit subscribe too. Till next time, you guys take care. Bye-bye.